So here I've installed some, I'm installing some receptacle boxes for outlet, electrical outlet. And when you do that, you want to get this is a metal box, you want to get the surface of this box as close as possible to the surrounding surface edge. And I had to make some adjustments to make this happen, so I'll show you on the other side there. So this is the metal receptacle box, and it has this metal bracket here to mount. And so to get this in here, I'm going to put this here. I'm going to tap it on this wall here. In order to do that, I had to cut a channel to get that box so I could move it more, make it more flush with the outside of the thing here. You can see that here. So you can see that one. There we go. There you can see I cut a channel at the bottom part. This right here. Same kind of thing against that. Right against there, you can see I cut this channel in here. So now this box will fit in there, and it'll be flush with the outside of the thing. So I can put that in here. That channel allows the box to go forward more, and so it's going to be flush with the outside. And to do this, use my favorite tool, which is right there. That's a Dremel with a towel bit on the end. So this is very handy. I use that flex shaft. You can get into the tight corners with that towel bit. You can cut up into anything, cut channels into wood or whatever you need to do, shave things down. So now I've got the other box where I can mount it flush with the outside of the kitchen island cabinet.